If you want faster internet and longer battery life on your phone, these quick settings will really help. Let's jump right into it. But don't forget to subscribe before we start. Hey everyone, welcome to this video. For step 1, we must change some setting on access point setting. Go on settings. After that, tap on connections. After that, tap on mobile networks. And after that, tap on access point names. Now tap on your default access point name, the one provided by your mobile operator. Scroll down and find two options called bearer. As you can see, it is set to unspecified by default. This means your phone is constantly searching for all possible connection types, even outdated ones no longer used by your operator. That drains your battery and can slow your internet. So instead, select only the best and most reliable option, just like I am doing here. Scroll down a little bit and tap on NR. After that, tap on OK, tap on 3 dots, and tap on Save. For step 2, go back and tap on network mode. Here. By default, it may be set to 5G preferred. That sounds great, but here's the problem. If 5G signal in your area is weak, which it often is, your phone will keep searching and switching, which slows everything down. So it's better to manually choose either 4G or LTE for a more stable and faster experience, especially in areas without full 5G coverage. So, LTE preferred. For step 3, we must test authentication type. I've made a full video on this step already. You can find it in the corner of the screen if you want to full breakdown. But here is the quick version. First, go to the setting and search internet speed test to check your current speed. Now go back to your APN setting and scroll down to authentication type. Scroll down a little bit and go on authentication type. Start by selecting POP, save and restart your phone. Then test your internet speed again. Now repeat the process, but this time choose CHAP instead of POP. Depending on your phone model and mobile's brand, one of these will give you better speed, so make sure to test both. Thanks for watching this video. 2 more helpful videos are popping up on a screen. Check them out if you want even more tips to improve your phone's performance. And of course, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.